guys, what's up? Thank you for being here today. I just had my coffee and I wanted to share that with you guys because I discovered this. It's new to me, and if you don't know about it, I feel like you need to know about it. So if you know me, you know I love coffee and I like to switch things up when I can because I like to keep things interesting, especially with my coffee game. So some days I'll use my Nespresso, some days I'll buy iced coffee, some days I'll buy iced coffee from Starbucks, some days I'll make my own cold brew. And this time I bought the Costco Cold Brew because quite honestly, Costco has not let me down for any of their Kirkland like signature products. So I bought it, I tried it, and I'm a little bit worried right now because it has 225 milligrams of caffeine. So if depending on how you feel about that, but personally I love it. So let me actually show you guys what that looks like because I'm obsessed. Okay, so this is what the pack looks like. It's a 12 pack of the cans. This is what the cans look like. And it's a 12 pack for $15.99. The price, seriously, you cannot beat it. I know a lot of people are like, I don't know how I feel about like coffee or cold brew in a can. Trust me, if you like cold brew, it's really, really good. Just keep in mind that it does come black. So what I do is I just pour it in a cup, put some ice in there, put whatever milk or creamer I want, and that's it. You can take it on the go with you, which is what I really love. Trust me on this. It's freaking amazing. I just feel like I have to wash it down with a little bit of water because if not, I'll start getting a little bit shaky. So I make sure I eat because it's cold brew. That's just how cold brew is, but I've been trying to stay hydrated. So because I'm trying to stay hydrated, I got myself some new cups because why not? Why not make it fun while we're here, right? When the pumpkin spice latte released on the 31st, they also released these new cups. I saw some employees, some Starbucks employees on TikTok who made a TikTok on the cups that were releasing. And when I saw this one, I was like, I freaking need it. And if you need a new cup to drink water, whatever gets you to do it, why not? But like, look at how cute this cup is. I love holographic stuff. So I had to get my hands on this one. And while I was there, I also found this one, and I don't think this is from the same collection because I didn't see anybody post about it. So if I'm not mistaken, this is probably from a different collection because they only had the one left. But the two-tone, I needed it, like why not? But this is one of the cold cups. I like that it's glass, so you're able to put like whatever iced coffee or whatever you want in here, and it's gonna keep it nice and cold. So I really love that. I don't like the fact that these are not insulated. Like it doesn't have like the stainless insulated thing inside. I don't know why, because I like my cold water. So I have to put ice in here, and even then I don't feel like it lasts very long. So these are meant for cold drinks. And if you've ever gotten one of these cups, let me know how you get rid of the stickers, because I don't know why they put the stickers on there like really stuck on there, and now my cup looks like this. And I've bought a cup like this before, different color, and I also had a really hard time trying to get that off. So if you have any tips on how to do that, let me know. But yeah, I'm on my water game. I also got this little jug thing at Costco. They had this 2-pack for, I think it was $18, which is not bad. It's insulated, which I like, and it also has a straw. So me and Kevin were looking for something like this for on the go and for work and stuff like that. So I like that this was only 18 bucks for a 2-pack. Say hello, YouTube fam. Hello, YouTube fam. Good morning. Good morning. I recently started this new show on Netflix. Well, I finished one of them, which was Devil in Ohio. That one was so good. I'm not one to like binge watch shows, but I binge watched that one yesterday. So I watched the whole thing, and I feel like the whole thing was so like I needed to watch the next episode type of situation. I mean, it's not really scary. I don't know why they called it like Devil in Ohio. I think they could have called it something else in my opinion, because it's just basically about a cult type of situation. So that's that. I'm not going to tell you guys anymore, but it's really good if you're looking for something new to watch. And then Echoes is something that I just started. I've only watched like 2 episodes so far, but it's basically about these twins who have like changed lives throughout their lives, and it's pretty nuts because one of them goes missing, so now the other one has to like play the role of both sisters. It's wild. I don't know much yet because it's still so new, but I'm definitely intrigued, and it was on one of like the top Netflix like shows. So yes, I'm invested at this point.
Must be hard to be back here. All that history, how you lived.
So I'm just now realizing that I'm almost done paying my car payment. I'm so freaking excited because that just means that I'm gonna have that extra money. So now I'm like, do I save it? Do I treat myself for a month? Like, what do I do? But I'm excited. Next month is actually gonna be my very last payment. And I feel like when you're making a car payment, you feel like it's never going to end and you're never gonna finish paying it. At least that's how I felt. So it's like unbelievable to be saying that my car payment is gonna be no longer starting next month, which kind of falls at the perfect time because we have been thinking about getting Kevin a new car for a while. We just didn't want to have 2 car payments. It's just gonna fall like literally at the best time. I just refilled the mini fridge, so I have some alcoholic drinks. Kevin likes those V8 energies. Got some Trulies, got some Sprite Zeros, Coke Zeros, which is my favorite. If you know, you know. Sprite, sparkling waters, my Costco Cold Brew that I was just telling you about. Yeah, it looks nice and filled. The other day, I was just thinking about how I always feel the need to always be productive to feel accomplished. And I think it's just something that I grew up with. Like, I was never allowed to say like, hey, I'm bored, because my parents would always be like, hey, like, if you're bored, we have something for you to do. And so like I always felt the need to be productive. And I feel like nowadays productivity is huge, which, don't get me wrong, being productive does feel good, but I don't think we should allow it to like take over our lives and not enjoy ourselves if we're not productive for a few hours or a day. Like, I think we all deserve to relax and enjoy ourselves, our time doing what we love. And it's something that I'm working on because I'm always just like go, 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 go. It's pretty overwhelming, and I think I overwhelm myself by like not writing a to-do list sometimes. Sometimes I have like 20 things in my head that I want to get done, when realistically I should probably, those 20 things could be divided into like a whole week or 2. And instead, I don't know why, in my brain I think I'm like Superwoman, and I'm like, I need to get this done by the end of the day before I like sit down and relax and watch a show. And I think that's kind of nuts. And then I wonder why my brain is always going at 100 miles an hour. is a totally different day. I'm right here with my Bella Boo. Hi, Mama. I just finished doing my hair, as you saw by the way that Dyson brush left my hair super, super soft. I just kind of wanted to put myself together today because I am not feeling the best, but I know that if I didn't shower, put a little bit of makeup on, and did my hair a little bit, I was just going to feel worse. I tried to put myself together. I'm not feeling too great because I started my period yesterday, which means that today is actually my second day. I don't know about you girls, but for me, my second day, I'm literally dying. I remember growing up, my second day was always the worst. I missed a lot of my high school time, my second day of my period, because I literally could not get out of bed. I suffer from severely bad cramps. So I'm not feeling the best. I'm honestly just planning on chilling out. Luckily, I did all my cleaning and grocery shopping and stuff yesterday and the day before, so I can actually chill out today. It's been rough. My second day is my worst day, so I'm just gonna take it chill. I have my coffee that I made in this clip too. I am loving this cup, by the way. Kevin got me this on Amazon, and I like it because it's glass and it's pink and it's cute and it's stainless. It came with a stainless steel straw and also a clear, I don't know if it's a plastic or glass straw. I didn't really pay attention to it, but I love it. And this Costco coffee, the cold brew,
It's my touching good do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm all on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey.
it is already 1:55 in the afternoon and I haven't really ate anything. This morning I only had a protein bar and my coffee just so I could take some ibuprofen for my cramps. And I'm just now eating an actual meal and I wasn't too hungry, but I remembered I got this bacon Caesar salad and I just made those chicken nuggets, the bear ones from Costco. So freaking good. I really wasn't hungry, but this is really hitting the spot. Coke Zero over Diet Coke for me any day. I don't drink soda too much, but when I do, Coke Zero has my heart. So balance, you know? I got a salad with the Coke Zero. I know people are gonna probably troll for that, but it's cool. It's what I was feeling. Could have been worse. I could have had a full-on pasta meal with a Coke Zero, you know? But at least we did not do that. I've been trying to post on TikTok a lot more and I'm still learning, so I'm filming for YouTube and then also trying to get some clips for TikTok at the same time. It's a lot. I'm hold on, let me set up my camera and let me get my video for YouTube, and then I'm trying to put my other phone, my phone on the side so I can get a clip for TikTok. And it is a lot. It is a lot. So I give it to people who, you know, content create full time because it is draining. It is draining. It's fun, super fun. I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm really, really hoping that I'm able to grow my YouTube channel. I think that was my biggest thing with being active on TikTok, is so I can get people to come here. But I'm really, really hoping I can build a whole community of people who enjoy the same things as me. I think there's a lot of influencers out there who, quite honestly, in my opinion, I don't think they're really influencing a lot of positive things. And I just want this channel to be positive. I want to share what I'm loving. There's a lot of things that I feel like I need to share with you guys. When I try something and I love it, I want you to try it. Like, that's just who I am. But at the end of the day, I'm obviously a normal girl living a normal life, and I almost didn't start my channel because I was like, is my life even interesting enough? Like, who's gonna want to watch this? Like, I'm boring. I don't have this freaking giant mansion, and I don't have this, and I don't have that, and I don't wear Gucci, and I don't wear Louis Vuitton, and like, I don't have a Jeep, you know? I have a Nissan Altima 2016, which, by the way, I'm done paying that off next month. Am I proud of that? Yes, absolutely. But I just feel like there's not enough like Latina content creators out there, and I know that we can change the game because we're just kind of trying to figure out who we are. Obviously, like for me, I'm first generation, and it's huge because I grew up in a Mexican household, Spanish being my first language, and now I'm trying to figure out who I am living in America as a Mexican American with an American boyfriend. So it's something, and I want to just share that with you guys. I just want to build something really beautiful, and I don't really need to have a Jeep or, you know, yes, I'm so grateful that I have a beautiful home, but I don't want that to stop anybody if you're thinking about content creating, because that's the beautiful thing about content creating is everybody's home's different, everybody's personality is different, everybody's body's different, and we're meant to be different. Not one single person is meant to look exactly the same, hence why we have our fingerprints are unique, because they are unique to you, right? Like, nobody is you, and that's a beautiful thing. Nobody is you, nobody is gonna be the same as you, so embrace that. All right, you guys, that is gonna be it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would love to have you guys here, and don't forget to comment because I would love to talk to you guys in the comments as well. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna try to edit this video, that way I can have it up for you guys as soon as possible. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.
About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited